Now let us solve the related problems. Okay, children. So let us take certain examples. Suppose you have to find the value of 9 to the power 3. That means you have to multiply 9 to itself how many times? 3 times. Now 9 nines are 81, 9s are 729 is the answer. Okay. See the second example. Now suppose it is written 5 into 5 into 7 into 7 into 7 and you have to write this in exponential form. Exponential form means power form. So 5 is repeated how many times? Multiplied to itself how many times? 2 times. So 5 raised to the power 2. Multiplied by 7 multiplied to itself how many times? 3 times. So 7 raised to the power 3. So the answer is 5 raised to the power 2 and 7 raised to the power 3. Now see the third example. You have to write 512 in exponential form. You have to write 512 in exponential form. Now when you have to write in exponential form, we prime factorize, then only we can get these prime factors and we can write in exponential form. First we need to convert 512 in this form and then we can write in this form. So let us do 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12, okay, 2 8s are 16, right. Now from here 8 is there, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So 512, how many times 2 is repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 2 raised to the power 9 is the answer. This is how we do. Okay. Now some more examples. Let us take. Suppose you have 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4 into 4 upon 3 into 32. In such examples, children, what we are going to do is we will convert all the numbers to their prime bases, right? Suppose 2 is prime, 3 is prime, but 4 isn't prime. So we will convert 4 to such a number, we will prime factorize it. So it can be written as 2 to the power 2. 3 is prime but 32 isn't prime. Now see how can 32 be written. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32. So 32 can be written as 2 to the power 5. You can check it again. 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 2s are 32. So this is 2 to the power 3 plus 4 7 and 7 into 9 upon, sorry, this is 3, this is not 2, so we cannot add it. Now 2 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 2, so it makes 2 to the power 5 and this is 3 to the power 4 upon 3 into 2 to the power 5. Okay. Now 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 5 will cancel. This is 3 to the power 4 upon 3 and with the same base they are being divided. So this is 4 minus 1, 3 to the power 3 and 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27 is the answer. Now the last sum. See. 3 into 10 to the power 5 into 25 upon 5 to the power 7 into 6 to the power 5. Now this is the last sum by using the laws. Next we will be taking the standard form. Okay. So in such kind of sums we did previously also. What did I say? You have to convert all the numbers to their prime factors. So 3 is already prime. We will write that this was 3 to the power 5. It was 3 to the power 5. Now 10 can be factorized. It can be written as 2 into 5. 5 2s is 10 and this power 5. 25 can be written as 5 square. This is 5 power 7. 6 can be factorized. It can be written as 2 into 3 to the power 5. Now we will give the powers to all the numbers. 3 to the power 5. Now this power will be given to both of them. 2 to the power 5, 5 to the power 5, and this is 5 square. Now this is 5 to the power 7, and again this 5 will be given to both of them. So 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 5. Okay. Now see if something can be cancelled. Yes, 3 to the power 5, 3 to the power 5 can be cancelled. If in another way you want to use the log can also be used. 3 to the power 3 base same, so powers will be subtracted. 5 minus 5 and 3 to the power 0 gives you 1. 2 power 5 will also cancel. Now you are left with 5 power 5 into 5 power 2 upon 5 to the power 7. Now same base being multiplied, they will be added. 5 plus 2 upon 5 power 7. This becomes 5 power 7 upon 5 power 7. And now 5 power 7 and 5 power 7 will cancel and the final answer will be 1. Right. Now after this we will be taking the standard form. Now giving the number of the expanded form. Okay. So let us take an example. 3 into 10 to the power 4 plus 7 into 10 to the power 2 plus 5 into 10 to the power 0. Okay children. Now the expanded form is given. You have to give the number of it. Right. So this is 3 to the power 4. Now 4 after 3 power 2 is coming. That means the third place is missing. So we will keep 0 in place of it. Then power 2 comes 7. Then power 1 is missing. Okay. So you will again put a 0 and then power 0. This is 5. So the answer is 30705. The places which are missing in place of that we keep 0. Now how to write in standard form? I'll give an example of that. Suppose you have 31865 00 and 000. You have to write this number in expanded form. Writing in expanded form means you have to write the number in such a way like this, where a is always less than 10. You have to write the number in such a way, a into 10 to the power b. B can be positive or negative, but a should always be less than 10. So in this number you will place the decimal at such a place where it makes less than 10. So if you place the decimal after 3, it will be less than 10. So 3.1865 into 10 to the power. Now what the main thing is, what you should fill here. Okay, the power of 10. Now if this is the number, with what power, how many zeros you should multiply so that you get this actual number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. If you multiply by 9 zeros, you will get the same number. Why? Because 4 zeros will cancel the decimal and then 5 zeros will be added. So this is how we write the number in the standard form. Everybody can do this, but the main problem comes with the power. So children, you have to count the places. You have to only count the places which come after the decimal, and that becomes the power. Okay.